Hey guys, I hope you're well. I was just getting ready to go into the land of arcs and sparks and do some cleaning. But as always, I ended up screwing around instead. And I found something on eHam that's astounding. And I wanted to, this, I can't believe it. Rookie Ham looking for a sanity check. Man, somebody needs a sanity check, and it very may well be me, you know? I'm not I'm not judging this guy or disparaging him. I'm just very surprised. I am stumbling toward assembling my first ham base. Ouch. I'm going to try to reposition this a little bit. There we go. So he wants a ham base. I am in need of a sanity check from those who have actually built ham shacks. Okay, fair enough. About me, I am a retired computer engineer, originally trained as an electronics technician. I can go one level beyond that. I'm a retired biomedical engineer, originally trained as a computer engineer and as an electronic technician, right? We don't need to, like one of the good commenters in my trash heap of a channel said one time, now that we got the bragging out of the way, and we all do, but that explains the following a little bit. And I'm not judging the man. About my budget, I told my dear wife that it would cost $6,000 to get started in this hobby. Really? $6,000? I was mistaken, but I'm not looking for a divorce. Really? It's substantially more than that? Again, maybe it's I that needs a sanity check. Maybe it's your dear Uncle Blozo. These are my goals. My interests, digital modes, yeah, okay. In addition, blah, blah, 2 meters, yeah, okay. Presuppositions, okay. And blah, blah, 20 meters, yeah, okay. Tower, dipole, halfway pie, okay. Good advice. You don't need that though, man. As, man, should I give credit? As Radioactive said, he called my Wonder Wire antenna a blunder wire, which, good for you, man. That's brilliant. The tower to support a halfway high diameter, yeah, okay, if that's what you feel you need, but you don't. I'll work all bands with a $15 antenna, man. But that's neither here nor there. The noob can't be expected to know what's going to work and not work regarding antennas. If he builds that antenna, he's going to be happy with it. So, very good. It is widely reported that the ICOM IC7300 is the best budget transceiver for digital ops. Yeah, okay. That might be arguable. I think you could probably get one. I don't know. I'm not a digital op, so I don't know. Okay, we'll take that. This is what I have already purchased. And he goes on down this list, this extensive list of what he's already bought. What does he want? Is that what the average newcomer to the hobby thinks they need to have fun in ham radio? Yeah, I don't know, man. I kind of beg to differ. An IC718 will do just well, I can't say that. I'm not a digital operator. It's not my thing, so I can't say. I would think an IC718 would do just fine. And a blunder wire antenna, couple on-uns and $15 a wire, and a power supply, $100 power supply. Oh man, $6,000 was lowballing it. Yeah, isn't it funny the different forms that our hobby has? You know, and I guess that's a strength of the hobby. Comments? $6,000? How much do you guys? I respect you folks that subscribe to this landfill. I'm really, I respect your opinions, guys. How much do you think it should cost a noob to get into the hobby whose primary interest is digital plus 2 meters and some 440? You know, he wants to hit the repeaters and he wants to work HF digital. How much should it cost? $6,000? And he missed the mark on the low side? Whoa. Oh my God. You've seen my antennas out there. It's a yard full of garbage. I shouldn't disparage myself. It's a yard full of wire. Let me show you how much it cost me to get into the hobby. Hang on. Well, it's been a couple years now. I think I paid $1,500, but I got a rebate on top off of that. I think I got 75 or 50 off of the 1,500. I don't know what I paid for it. Between 1,400 and 1,500. And add $25 for my blunder wire. That's what it cost me, man. Seriously. And I feel that I was kind of living high off the hog when I bought this radio. I almost didn't. I almost did buy an eHam IC718 because for me, it'd do everything I needed to and wanted to, you know? But I just retired and I got my back pay from the government after having sued them and won my litigation. And that's what I bought my radio with. If not for that, I never would have bought it. What do you think, guys? What's the cost of entry to get into digital, 2 meters, and 440? Be well. Take care. Have fun. It's important. 73, guys.